For a small water system, leaks can be a big problem. Every gallon that escapes costs money in treatment, chemicals, electricity, lost revenue, and can even lower system pressure, affecting fire protection and customer service. When a leak is suspected, the next step is to track it down. Before heading out, review your system maps and focus on high-risk areas. Sections with a history of breaks or recent repairs, and older mains are good places to start. Once you have some ideas, now it's time to pinpoint the exact location of the leak using an acoustic leak detector. An acoustic leak detector utilizes sensitive microphones to pick up sounds of water escaping from pipes and other water infrastructure. Most models include an amplifier for sound enhancement, a ground sensor for detecting leaks under hard surfaces like asphalt or concrete, a probe rod for listening through softer ground such as grass or soil, and headphones so you can pick up even faint hissing underground. Some leaks are obvious because of pooling water or an overgrowth of vegetation, but many are hidden. Start with accessible contact points, valves, hydrants, meter boxes, or curb stops. Make sure to set the volume control to low before listening to avoid hearing damage. Place the rod firmly on the metal surface and listen carefully. You can now adjust the volume. A steady, pressurized hiss usually indicates water is escaping under pressure. If the sound is faint, continue along the line, stopping every 20 to 30 feet to compare the noise. Remember, small leaks often make higher-pitched hissing or whistling sounds. Larger leaks tend to sound lower with more rumbling. Once you've narrowed down the area, switch to the ground microphone. Place it directly on the ground. Adjust the sensitivity on the device as you approach the suspected leak zone. Check multiple points within a 10 to 15 foot radius. The loudest, clearest sound will usually be directly above the leak. Use spray paint, flags, or stakes to mark the spot for repair. Be aware of how materials and soil conditions affect sound travel. Copper, steel, and ductile iron carry sound farther and more clearly. PVC, concrete, and asbestos cement dampen noise. Loose soil absorbs sound and makes leaks harder to pinpoint. Hard, compacted soil carries leak sound more effectively. Rubber gaskets and fittings can also dampen or distort the noise. Some field tips every operator should keep in mind. Check your batteries before heading out. Nothing's worse than dead equipment in the field. Move slowly and take your time. Leaks don't always jump out at you. Use good contact points to narrow down the section where the noise is strongest. Hydrants, valves, and meters work best. Differentiating leaks from background noise is a bit of an art. Use known leaks as training opportunities. The more you use it, the better you get at hearing the difference between a leak and normal system noise.
For more water and wastewater educational content, subscribe.